Hi, blissfulness, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki here, and I'm continuing with our rhubarb series. The first video I made, if you've seen it, it's the rhubarb and vanilla high priestess body wrap cream. Now I'm making the rhubarb and hibiscus shampoo, and this is for all hair types. All right, so let's begin. First, I'll be using 140 grams of rhubarb tea, and I've infused 3 different herbs with this rhubarb to give it more of a, right? And I'm gonna add 6 grams of MSM powder because I want to give that boost of doubling the hair growth. I want volume, I want thickness, I want bigger, longer hair strands. All right, now I'm moving on to the surfactant. I'm using AOS 40, which is 105 grams. And I'm also using cocoa betaine. That's how I pronounce it because it's easier for me to digest. So cocoa betaine, yep, that one, 90 grams of that. Using these two surfactants, I learned that when you use these two combination, you have a thicker mixture, and that's what I'm looking for. You can have a natural looking shampoo with this method, or you can choose to add a thickening agent at the end of your formula, which I've chose the latter. I had to add a bit of thickener to make it a bit thicker than how I wanted it to be. But just looking at it here, it's very thick. But when you combine everything, then to me, it was not thick enough. I should have used more of the surfactant in percentages, and then I'll probably have a thicker, mixture. Anyways, moving on. I'm using polysorbate 80 as this is going to help me solubilize the whole formula, and I'm mixing this with my fragrance oil because it combines water and oil. It blends it really well. That's what it's supposed to do. That's the name, solubilizer. I can't even pronounce it. Solubilizer. Oh, shut up before you bite your tongue. Anyways, I'm using vanilla as my fragrance oil, and I wanted it to have this light, clean smell because the rhubarb is such a light, fresh, plant. I wanted to keep that way, but I also incorporated some clove bud oil and some camphor oil because I wanted to stimulate the hair, and I want for growth, making the scalp tingle so the blood would rush to the scalp, and then the hair follicles would benefit from that. So that's why I'm using this combination. Hopefully you're understanding what I'm saying and I'm not just talking and coming up, trying to struggle for air. But anyways, this is how I created my little rhubarb and hibiscus shampoo. So I'm gonna add this to my mixture, but before I do that, I'm gonna make sure I have everything that I needed for this shampoo. So I'm gonna go through the stages again: my water phase and my surfactant phase, and then my polysorbate phase. So I'm gonna add my polysorbate to the liquid, my water liquid, which I've got the MSM and this glycerin. I forgot to tell you I put glycerin in as well because we're going to draw the moisture to the hair strands. So that's going to give it more food for the strands to grow healthy and strong. So I'm just going to add my polysorbate 80 mixture with the fragrance to our water phase, and I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm gonna slowly add my water phase to my surfactant phase, and I want to incorporate this very well because I want to make sure that the whole container is thickened and mixed thoroughly so that I don't have a unstable product. So I'm going to slowly add the water to my surfactant and mix thoroughly. And then after this is done, I'm going to do my pH test because the thickener I'm going to be using, you can't do a pH test with that after. You have to do it before because it's going to destabilize the product and make the liquid very thin. So I'm going to be testing the pH balance after I've incorporated the water phase and the surfactant phase. I did create a bit of bubble here, but it will settle overnight, so I weren't too worried about that. It was not as thick as I wanted it to, because I was trying not to add the thickener, the crowfix, or whatever you call it. I can't pronounce it. Crotthix, crowfix. Yeah. And I wanted it to be more of a natural, product without adding anything like that. But when I'm doing the herbal shampoo for myself, I won't put the crowfix in, and I'll, just keep it at this consistency. This level is fine. So here you can see it's well balanced, so I can move on. Make sure you do your pH testing, all right? Now I'm adding my secret formula, which is my DIY extracts that I've made. I've added 3 lovely DIY extracts that will help boost. It's like a hair food. It will help boost and stimulate, hair growth, making sure your scalp is healthy. It's in good, healthy condition. Yeah, so this is what I created. I created a nice little, organic shampoo from my rhubarb garden. So now I'm just adding in the crowfix to make it thicker, and you'll see in a moment that it's gotten so much thicker than how it was before, and I really like the thickness of it. So as I stated, it will settle overnight, and I'm the type of girl that I waste nothing. I scrape out everything. I even have to put some of the shampoo back into the container and wipe it out. I believe in getting all of my percentages and all of my grams into my formula. So I'm not going to leave out some in there for, aesthetic look. No, I'm showing you how I do it. And if you don't like how I do it, you can, go and watch somebody else. But this is how I do it. I scrape out everything. It could be the Jamaican in me. Waste not, want not. But anyways, this is the video I created with my rhubarb. So I've thickened my shampoo. It smells so nice. It smells of like vanilla and peppermint. And it's not even peppermint, it's just menthol. It's just that nice fresh smell. It's lovely. And yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry about the doggy barking. This is what I wanted to show you. My second video on the series of my rhubarb journey. Thank you all for supporting me. Thank you all for liking and sharing and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you on my next series. I wonder what that one's gonna be. See, it's gotten so much thicker. I'm gonna leave this overnight. It's gonna settle, and in the morning I shall show you how it looks before I bottle it up. And then yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for joining. Highly blissful, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Smells so nice. Really nice. Vanilla peppermint with the rhubarb. Yeah, I gonna love that one, yeah, with hibiscus and burdock root extracts. Okay. That one is nice. I need a bottle now. Now you see me, now you don't. This is 24 hours after I've left my shampoo to settle, and it is so beautiful. It smells amazing. Now I'm going to bottle this up for you guys to show you how beautiful my shampoo actually flows into its lovable home. I use this shampoo, and I can tell you this shampoo is amazing for my scalp. the tingling I felt in the shower. Oh my god, it felt so good. And it's not a clarifying shampoo, so you can use the shampoo anytime you want. Let me just run through the benefits again. It's hydrating, it protects, it restores, it revitalizes the hair strand, it conditions the hair, it moisturizes the hair and the scalp, it treats and it heals. Wow. Not gonna lie, this felt good on my scalp. Trust me. Anyways, try it. You guys try. Make some DIY products. Just try make even if it's just one thing today. You'll be amazed to see how you impress yourself. Because it actually works. It works, and it works better than the store-bought ones because it's chemical free. There's no SLS. There's no like parabens. There's no like formaldehyde. Nothing like that. It's just pure natural ingredients. And the number one base for this shampoo is rhubarb tea with a few herbs in it, so to accelerate the doubling growth and all them good lovely things that you'll get from a shampoo. Right, may I go on now because I kind of feel so good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and head over to the other social platforms. If you see me there, just follow, subscribe to my channel as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you how this looks so nice. If you were gonna send this off as a gift for Christmas to your loved ones, look how gorgeous this looks into my perfect little gift box. It's gorgeous and it fits so perfectly. Thanks for watching, guys. Highly blissfulness.